In daily life, how often would you use the word pussy?
Not.
No. That's what's going to make this so much awesomeness. Okay, now here's what's going to happen. Okay. You are the female representative. And we are going to sing this song. And when I do this, you are going to say, pussy whipped. Lives are changed and destroyed at Velcro Pygmy shows. So Diane, we're gonna practice one time. I'm gonna count to 3 and you're gonna say it. Let's just see how it works, okay? So we can get a level on the microphone. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm tearing up, man. This is gorgeous. Michael, yes. Yes, look at him out there, proud. So we're gonna do the song, and you're gonna handle the pussy whips. You got that? Diane's got the pussy whips. Are we ready? Let's do this together, everybody. If I may quote a wonderful philosopher named Ricky Bobby, that just happened.